How hard did I try to get my arm in this? Hi freaks, let's see what Jaime's got for us this time. Again with the mint pants, Jaime? Oh, this one was made by the app, you can tell. It's actually not that bad. I don't have those earrings anymore, but I have a similar pair, so let's do it. As usual, we've got too many layers, so I've just perched this blazer on my shoulders. And I was feeling so smug because I thought if the app was really smart, which it's not, by the way. I think I called it AI before, but on this Smart Closet app, I don't think it's even AI. I think it's just like picking one thing from each category that you tell it. I was feeling so smug because I thought, why wouldn't it just pick the red sweater instead of this kind of orangey one? But actually, with the muted green and the gray, the muted red looks better and then just pulls this pop of red in without being overwhelming, and the little pop of red on the shoes. So, I feel humbled. I actually. How hard did I try to get my arm in this? Maybe I can do it, because I kind of want to see what it looks like. Let me try again. Okay, well, with the longer sweater underneath, this actually looks really terrible, but I think I like them both on their own, but not together. So let's look at them separately and see which one is better. Okay, here's just the sweater. And here's the blazer. I don't love these colors on me, but I feel like on somebody this would look better. I'm gonna give it to Jaime because Jaime made two good outfits, and I'm not gonna make any because I like these ones enough. So where would I wear this? Well, I would wear this side to work if I had a much cooler job, or maybe if I had the same job but my office were in outer space. And then I would wear this side also in outer space, but like after work, maybe go home and pull a Mr. Rogers, like this is my inside sweater, because I feel like that could be a thing in outer space. So let me know which version you like better, the blazer or the sweater, and where would you wear it? And thanks for watching.